Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Mr. Beast Panther Lab Mutation. Now, if you guys like this cool figure and want to see more, definitely let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to try some more. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with the iconic Panther from the Mr. Beast Lab Mutator series, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down and then back here in a check mark. Then we'll do the same thing on the other side, just kind of go down and then bring it back in a check mark shape. Next, we're going to make a circle underneath each one for the eye. And then we're going to color in a little bit in the center. Then right around here, we're going to curve a line, and then we're going to do the same thing, kind of come down and curve it. And then we'll color in this area around here, just to make it nice and dark. Next, we're going to make a little line up here, and a little line up here just to kind of shape out where the eyebrows are. For the nose, let's make a little line across. Then we're going to come down and then up. And we'll put a little curve inside each one. Next, let's draw a line on each side. Then we're going to make a line that curves down on each side for the cheeks. We're going to bring this up and then down to connect. I'm going to make a big line that's going to go down and up. And then we'll make another one right here that goes down and up for the fangs. And we're going to come down and in, down and in. We'll make a line across and a little zigzag line for some more teeth. We'll make a little line across here for the lip. And then we'll make a little zigzag line down here. Now, coming right off of the eye, we're going to make a line that goes out and in. And we'll do the same thing here, just kind of go out and in. Bring a line here and a line here. Come down and in here, and then down and in here. Next, we're going to go out and bring this back, and then same thing here, out and then bring it back. I'm going to come out and make a couple little zigzag lines and come in for the side of the face, and same thing here, kind of come down, a few zigzag lines, and then just bring it in. Next, we're going to bring a line up on each side to kind of shape out the head. We'll leave a little space, make a couple points, and then bring it down, leaving that little bit of space. Then I'm going to come out and then down for an ear, and then same thing, out and then down. Then we'll just kind of go up and then in on each side for some detail. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring a little line down, and then another one over here to kind of shape out where the neck is going to be. Then we'll make a little line on each side. Right here, we're going to make this little design on his chest. So we're going to make a line across. We're going to go down and then down at an angle. Then we're going to come in, and then across. Then I'm just going to kind of repeat the same shape right inside of here. And then we'll make this little kind of spiral design right inside there. Let's make a little bump on each end. And then we're going to make some little points that come up to here. And same thing here, some little points that come up. And we're going to bring this down and connect. Same thing, a little bit higher, and then bring it right to here. Then we'll make a little line on each side. Then we're going to come down and in for the chest, and same thing here, down and in for the chest. Then we're going to kind of connect this right in here. Next, we're going to make a little line that curves out on each side. We're going to bring this down to about here. Then right here, we're going to go out and come in, out and come in. We'll do that same thing right down here. And we're going to come down and in, and then down and in. To kind of show that he's got like this robotic feel to him. Next, we're going to go down and curve in, down and curve in. And we're just going to kind of connect. Next, we're going to make a little line that comes down. And we're going to make a couple lines across. And we'll make one that kind of comes down and up. Make one more that kind of goes down and up here. Now for the legs, we're going to bring this line to here. And then we're going to curve it back up. Same thing here, kind of out. And then curve it around. Then we're going to bring this line down and this line down. Same thing here, kind of straight down and then kind of out at an angle. Then we're going to curve a line that comes to a point and over. One here, and then a smaller one here. We'll do that same thing here, kind of curve down to a point. And then we're going to make a couple more that get a little bit smaller as they become farther out. We're going to curve this over and in. And same thing, kind of curve this over and in. Then we're just going to make a little curve on each one to kind of show where the claw is. Then right here, we're going to bring this line with a couple points to here. Same thing, bring this line down with a couple points. Then we're going to make some zigzags just to kind of show where some fur is. Then we can make a line up each one. Then we'll make a couple little like designs here. On the foot here, we'll make a line that goes over and then up. Same thing here, kind of zigzag line and then up. And we'll connect to here and to here. Now starting here, I'm going to curve this line, and we'll curve this line for the shoulders. And then we'll make some zigzag lines up on each side. We're going to make like an oval shape here, and we'll make an oval shape right here. And a line that curves and curves. We're going to make a zigzag line down here, and we'll do the same thing here. We'll curve and curve. And then we're going to make a line that comes up and down. Same thing here, up and down. And then we're going to put more of these kind of like spikes on here. Same thing, just kind of more of these spikes. We'll bring it to here and to here. Next we'll make another little kind of zigzag line around here, just to show more fur. We'll make a line that goes out and comes back up for a claw. Same thing, out and comes back up. We're going to make another claw, one here and one here. Same thing, bring this down, one here and then one here. Make sure these are connected. We'll draw some lines across here. And then to add a little detail on here, we'll just kind of make a couple lines. Make some lines that go up and in. And I'll put some little like curves here too. And there you go, there is your drawing of the iconic Panther from the new Mr. Beast toy line. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.